Superstores Limited nero eduke cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra ni amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wekirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangane duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Uya kegima na inde murigereria Getembe TV charagire Chinsa Ikomi chinga kituiranire gaiga tokaretere Ekeonga asenchera yobukiranu veni nyaboke angonyo cross omuno abwe bimanyirero kevinongeri nero kone kebana chibichana marengo kirachira senchera yobukiranu karanso kenjengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga na togo chaka ebiro county ya Kisii ere ya mase county chiria chirebosio ase ogokolia abana bake emiromo gose gurutu gurube enditsoma minchaniri chiko Ogosabwa nigo kwarure gochia saba ibori na boigo ebyombe gose Chinsa Montenera wasoke na korwa omochando oyo korengana no mo deputy county commissioner Okenya William Bet nigo ate birose nigo aine kibunya chikamati nigo charasiwe eriko bake bataraika imiaka 15
mtoto kufanya kazi ambaye hailingani na umri wake, na hapa kaunti yetu Kisii ndio mojawapo ya ile makaunti imeonekana iko na kutumia watoto kufanya kazi ambaye haifai. Kisii ni moja, Nakuru nyingine, Kericho, Nyeri, Meru na Nakuru. So tuliitwa kwa training ya kumaliza kazi ya watoto. Kaunti hizo 5 ndio wale naibu county commissioner wote waliitwa eneo hizo 5 tukapelekwa Naivasha kwa seminar, tukafunzwa, ndio tukaambiwa sasa tukirudi tuunde kamati ya kuangalia maneno ya child labor katika eneo kwanza ya majani chai, ya kahawa, pia tumeambiwa hapa sekta ya avocado, sekta ya miwa ambayo inafanyika katika our neighboring county ya sukari. Pia tumeambiwa kwa hii sekta ya matofali, watoto pia wanafanya kazi hapo. Pia sekta ya ndizi hapa, kwa sababu ndizi ni mingi area hii, tunaambiwa watoto pia wanatumika kufanya kazi hapo. Hapa kweli katika masoko zetu watoto pia wanatumika. Sasa tunaambiwa pengine kuchota maji ama kutafuta kuni, ama hata wengine pia wanakuja kuuza vitu kwa soko. Hiyo ndio tumepata habari. Na pia tumeambiwa kuwa kuna mabasi fulani ambayo wameajiri watoto ambao hawajafikisha umri. Hiyo ndio sheria imekataa, na tumesema sasa tumetoa wito kwa wale wanahusika kufanya hiyo kazi wasimamishe na wakome haraka.
Mawaziri mukoro wa Burundi boime Daktari Fred Ekeonga Matiang'i nigo agenderere komoche serikali na boigo emirobiri yaye gukwana ase umuyiga wa matangaya ma Matiang'i gaborute bagusi gwasokia na kubwata chikura ase obonge eri bachikumubwatisia ase ganga yayo kuriga ikirogo kyoburai bwense asaba chari bore bose obo mwaka 2027 asensemende nigo ainekeretia bagusi gocha kobarusia obosoku chingakia bara mwakire chikura na kwene kyabunango soare ase kirogo kora ensi ya Kenya.
Abantu aba egazi abasinyire uzabona akimono chini egazi abasinyire neinde intu na nyaza tutonge tabagusi injenta yale ni kuruzie start to yake naende morole bune serikali yeko ba manage tiboronge ebintu egento ketasa leke no nyine ekemo ekabutwale ngemirimo tutwale ko eribese skuru bokaya yubo boza kora chibese chabantu mbwale ngoro wono igasi yo na utungaina waka komunuga oncha onjukana ma kuligia abantu baje baligia abantu ande botuka baba ira ujalia inwe muno mosene tateba mokubira na barabu to wese kwera singi 200 kuwese bali basa kwera chibese cheto baba ikiri bukobikero mundu onyemba bwa kiri bukomi mwagena no n'kinyomba cyabo mwaba tayicibese kayikire cya serikali mwayibire basi umutinyo yo ikabwe chikuranya sai kala tokonye to batebinga goodbye mumanya to batebinga wono rabunenze ko babane chichi to borokere bnegasi yokorwa uzobona tali boyiko abantu baminto ndalere kendu yo kadali ko basaba nekemo muna mwana oliyo minta kwa na senator toja ko register chikura kero muntu to gende to bwate kura igendo kera tokonye ni chikura uzobona tali boyiko to bwate chikura kabona nchabangi na baminto kero muntu to bwate chikura abantu etoko bake nkundi liekoro kwe nkundi abokiriru enkundi abokiriru ne kadi igo toko bwata chikadi tokire gatale okwana gendo kende abacha ga igato bakwani ngambu ya mulembu ya mono ba tebi binde bya tebi mbu ya mono ndundo basabere nyaza ko babere araf tutoka yeli tukeligo eka toka ndetebe tobeke chikura chonzi kerase basiri ni mami toboke nchebono mombo lia maswali nga igaziri tu akobeke bakolire kaiya ikire omanye koro usabana baitomba twara ngo esa bantu batobwa capitation school bakosa kora chibese kinche kabiri maiso morale ebinte biacha ko ikabantu baminto tokoro mutia bona nyasala tubwatie elinde ense neke utwa etuno manne nyasaye abantu baito bagwe korere gazi numukia bagusimba libasangami bono ntayale tole kogendera okore gazi ntigamba tebi enkwara ya neo moelio I will not let you down. Tingo wabeka inse. Ingongo tara kerase. Yeah. I will not let you down. Woto tara unapatrick abatebi antu alingemeru wiki elia. Kerase toko genda. Abante bago jabamboli bosenga omwana onero kurukumatiangi omugusie.
Muraibuensi ya Kenya Daktari William Samoei Ruto nigo atebire nari no bwene buna Kenya ni chiego chencha goche getambukiro kende gukona kurwa Kapsabet chinga kicho kuyora we parishenya ya Kapsabet. Ruto nigo ateba na chikurwa ni obokurumi asebego akwanira obokurumi ensemo yobo chinu na goteba abuigoro litko igoro mbabete bagosieka chinyagitari eriwe yemu echo chabere chikoibera abarwaire insi yo murubire bobo bwenya osha.
And I am confident. I believe in the greatness of this nation. Ile mambo munaona hapa, hiyo ya affordable housing, ya kujenga masoko, kujenga barabara, kuwa na universal health coverage, kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wetu wote wanasoma. Tukikaza hapo, hii nchi tutabadilisha in our lifetime. Na ndio mimi nataka niwaulize ninyi wote. There are many naysayers. There are many people who don't believe in this country. There are people who are negative about Kenya. But I want to tell you, God is going to shame those who are against Kenya. This country is going to be greater than what it is today. I am confident. I believe that we can take this country into the future. And that is why, together, we must stand on the same side. Sisi wote. Na ndio sababu hata katika siasa tumesema tupunguze siasa ambayo inatugawanya. Tuondoe ukabila katika siasa zetu. Na sote tukabiliane kumaliza ufisadi katika taifa letu la Kenya. Na ndio sababu hiyo nimesema there is no title, there is no office, there is no rank, there is no region, there is no whatever other differentiation on matters of dealing with corruption. We are going to make sure hata pale kwa mambo ya matibabu. Jana tumeondoa leseni ya mahospitali 1000 ambao wanafuja pesa ya mambo ya afya. Na hatuondoi leseni peke yake. Tutawafuata, watalipa hizo pesa kwa sababu there is nothing as criminal, as worse as stealing from the sick. Na ndio sababu hiyo mimi nataka niwaulize sisi wote, we must close ranks. And I'm happy the church, private sector, public sector, we are united in standing together to make sure that we succeed as a nation by fighting negative ethnicity, by eliminating division, and by dealing firmly and decisively with corruption.
Togos kabosio mugavana we county ya Kericho Dr. Erkimtai nigo anyore tomweso osenigo ari nikia kogokera magega yokobyoka korwa ogwa koisko yabisi asentunda ya kabire bunge ya senate yekorawa na umonogeri obo moski Amazon Jeva Kingi nigo yategerera ekina kya mtai samatukatato kurinde obo tukobokera rero ange Chinsa isano nigo abaseneta bakachikura asaba seneta Ikomi na batano no yomongo se 16 bakachikura chokoteba agende na boigo abaseneta emerongebere na batano yomo bakachikura chokomotiga abisi.
Considering the evidence adduced before the Senate by the parties on the issue, and further considering the report of the County Assembly of Kericho Chamber electronic voting system submitted by ICT experts on the invitation of the Senate, now therefore, the Senate resolves that the threshold required for removal of a governor from office by impeachment contemplated in Section 33 of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 74 of the County Assembly of Kericho was met. Now, honorable senators, before we vote, kindly pull out the cards from your delegates unit. And Sergeant at Arms, move around the chamber, collect any unattended card that is still in the delegate unit. Now, honorable senators, the result of the vote on the division is as follows. Ayes 16, nays 26, abstention 1. So the nays have it. Now, honorable senators, as I had earlier indicated, in the event that the Senate finds that the two-thirds threshold of 32 members of the County Assembly was not met, then the impeachment proceedings shall immediately terminate, and the Senate shall now proceed to determine the impeachment charges. The result of the division indicates that the motion has been negatived. Consequently, the impeachment hearing hereby terminates. Honorable senators, rise.
Tutigarite ase eng'aniyo yokorigereria ogwakwa isiko gosokubioka kwa omugavana bwe kaunti ya Kericho Dr. Eric Mutai maseneta Kericho Aaron Cheruiyot nigo aorokire kogechwa kwaye gose nabo igo gotaisanika kwaye igoro yeng'ana yogwakwa isiko kwa omugavana oyo ukwana bosio bwese na Cheruiyot nigo aorogetie kogechwa kwaye igoro yokona chagwe senate na kwenekeria abantu be county ya Kericho ochia konyora obwene bwabo ase atebete balia babwatiranigwa eng'ana y'obukuru mino mugavana oyo andete barachi kwebisa nigo barachi korigwa na kwimukirwa egetambukiro egetindikeri chiko.
Pass my appreciation to this house, because as of Wednesday morning, when this trial began, Mr. Speaker, there were doubts in the minds of many people in Kericho that this impeachment hearing was going to go the way of the previous impeachment hearing, Mr. Speaker, where the county assembly was sent back with a bundle of documents without listening to what are the issues that the people of Kericho are facing. For that, I must register my appreciation, colleagues. The people of Kericho can know what exactly the Senate of the Republic of Kenya thinks on all the issues that the County Assembly has brought before you. Do you want to tell me, leaders, that you are surely going home convinced that the County Assembly has not been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that there is systemic corruption in the county government of Kericho? Mr. Speaker, unfortunately, or fortunately, we may never get to that particular point if this motion doesn't carry the favor of members. But I want to tell the people of Kericho, speaking from this house, that justice you will get by any means necessary. It can be from this house, Mr. Speaker, or, Mr. Speaker, through other agencies constitutionally charged, Mr. Speaker, to ensure, Mr. Speaker, that when public funds are pilfered and looted, Mr. Speaker, they are recovered. There are companies that have been named here. There are individual directors, Mr. Speaker, that own those companies. They are directors of those institutions, Mr. Speaker, in the public institution that is the county government of Kericho, who engage in those exercises, Mr. Speaker. We want to tell you that by bad luck, if you escape the Senate today, you will not escape the next trap that the people of Kericho have laid for you. I thank you and rest my case.
Now, Senator Boni.
Chapter creates take combination na ibere igoro ye Chinsa Ikomi chabono morogobo mwancho muriga Getembe TV na rayo kore Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi korenda yinegati ari tokende to kwariganeria achikogochira nere Matilda obaigwa ibere na boigo inyecho butko rero asenchira yobwekeron Kevin Ongeri nero rokoneke bune chibichana maringo krachira asenchira yobwekeron nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga na boigo veni Nyaboke nere kwa sumuno riwe manyererio worigererio biatu tuhumira nere tukore ankyo.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza ya nchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale yuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwa mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyareka bagokwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyega ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuri go musongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sechi namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Uhuru nabwate.